Tears keep falling every day, missing you more than my heart can take. I don't know what's wrong with my heart. It still keeps thinking of you. Every breath I take still calls your name. Every second I'm waiting for you to return. No matter how long it takes, I still love you. No matter what happens, my heart still holds you. Alone in the silence, missing you every night. Alone in the silence, waiting for you to come back to me. When this world no longer has you by my side, my heart still keeps calling out for you. I'll keep waiting, no matter how much it hurts.